Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to work on Solidworks. So we are going to work on a tutorial by drawing or designing a bracket. So before we start, I would like to ask you to please subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification button because you do not have to miss any of our lessons, and share the video, and do not forget to like the video. Thank you so much. Let's get started. So this is the bracket on which I'm going to work on today. You can see there is the isometric view and three different views that was taken out of this isometric view. So, and one thing I wanted to specify is the dimensions are in millimeters, and today what is important is just two features that we are going to use: the extruded boss base and the extruded cut. So let's get started. I prefer to work with for this tutorial I prefer to work with the top view because it has specific dimensions and everything is detailed, so I understand it better. That's why I prefer to work with the top view. Because I prefer to work with the top view, I'm going to select the top plane in Solidworks. After that, I select the center rectangle and put the dimensions. You can check the dimensions here. The dimensions here, we have 75 and 50 millimeters. Okay, here is 75 millimeters. And 50 millimeters. Good. So after that, this sketch is already good to be extruded, but if you check on the drawing, you can see that there are fillet. So these two corners are fillet. So before we extrude it, we use the features. It is important to put the sketch fillet. So click on the sketch fillet. The radius is 12 millimeters. Let's use the on-screen keyboard. So the radius is 12 millimeters. After that, select the corners, and here we are. Okay, click OK. So now this sketch is ready to be extruded. Good. Go to features and select extruded boss base. One thing is, for this exercise, you can see that this isometric view is there. You can see that you can see the height and everything. But for other tutorials, you will find out that they will provide only the three views, and the isometric view will not be provided. So it's you have to think about it and see how it works. You can see here on the front view that the height is 10 millimeters, and this front view represent this side. So that means the distance from here to here is equal to the distance from here to here is equal to the distance from here to here. So that means is 10 millimeters. So we are going to extrude it up to 10 millimeters. Okay, so the 10 millimeters is already there, and we are not going to change anything for this step. We are not going to change anything because everything is perfect. So the second step is to draw. The second step is to draw the circle. So we have two circles, the inner circle and the outer circle. The inner and the outer, and the dimensions are given 20 millimeters, 38 millimeters, and the distance, because the circles are not in the middle, so the distance is 23 millimeters. Okay, so you click here, let's go to sketch. You click on sketch to be able to draw anything. So I prefer to use the center line to avoid mistakes. Okay, this one is also good to put it. Good. So after that, we make the outer circle and the inner circle. So smart dimension, remember the distance from here to here is 23 millimeters. Okay, where's the it's 23 millimeters. Good. And we have the inner circle here. Is 20, the diameter is 20 millimeters. And for the outer circle, we have 38 millimeters. Good. Okay. So now we are going to use the extruded base because the inner circle is a hole. So by using the extruded base, we are still going to have the hole. So if we check here, so this represent from here to here is 20 millimeters. It represents the distance from this to this. Okay, so this is the same distance from here to here, and you can see that this small circle, the inner circle, it's here. That represents a hole, the hole. Okay, so it's a hole. So we are going to extrude. So I love to always put it in isometric view to see what I'm doing, if it's correct. So you can type here 20, or you can just increase here, and everything is okay, and click good. So the final, always remember to save your work. Do not just work. Remember to click here, save your work, so that you cannot lose it. Okay, so that you cannot lose it. Good. So the final step is this, where we have to make the two rectangles. Okay, so click on rectangle, the dimensions are given. You can go back and check the dimensions. It's 20 and 9, and the other side are 8. Okay, so okay, let's go back to sketch. There is a mistake, but it's fine. Good. So here is 20 millimeters. Good. And here it's 8 millimeters. 9 millimeters. And from here to here, it's 8. Good. And the distance between this line here and this line here, it's 8 millimeters as well. Good. So because we have two rectangles, you can also decide to draw this other rectangle here using the same dimensions, but this is much quicker. So you draw a line, okay, then select mirror entities, Sorry. So it has to be this mirror about, not this line. Okay, so here we have it. So here we go. Then delete, you can trim it. Good. Good. So because it's not fully defined, it's always good to make the sketch fully defined. So to be sure that everything is correct, everything is good. Okay, so let me see the distance from here to here. Good. Okay, this dimension does not exist. This one needed. So okay, what I have to do is to delete this one. Yes, and the sketch is fully defined. You can check it here. So if you do not want your sketch to be fully defined, yeah, you can proceed and make it, as long as you see that okay, everything I've done is correct, and yeah, you can proceed. So with these two rectangles, we are not going to use the extruded boss base, we are going to use the extruded cut. Okay, so let's check here, because here you can see that it's a wall that goes through everything. That means they through 10 millimeters, so that is a hole that from here to here. With these two rectangles, it's a hole, so that means we are going to cut through hole, right? So let's see here what it gives. Yeah, you can see the direction of the arrow, so it's cutting everything, but it is important. You can put here 10, but since it's through all, just come here and select through all. Okay, if you select through all, you do not have to put any dimension, no dimension here. So yeah, just click OK. And we have the design, which is fully defined, and you can check this is equal to this. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, share the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click on the notification button. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.